look at the bats hanging upside down.
Welcome to Bat Education Center, and I teach about bats today.
Bats live in caves in the wild. This is a special safe place to observe them without disturbing their habitat.
Why do they hang upside down?
Bats are incredible creatures that help our ecosystem by eating thousands of insects every night.
Bat. Cave. Quiet.
Remember, if you see a bat cave, always observe from outside and never disturb their habitat.